Here are the features in the 083 holiday release. We've added the ability to directly roll on-the-fly formulas. Here I'll automatically roll this 3D crushing damage, or add +2 to my modifier bucket, which you can see here, or even directly open a PDF link. And then we added the ability to execute multiple on-the-fly formulas in a single chat. So now you could create macros like this. And then we updated Rolltables so you can execute on-the-fly formulas directly in the Rolltable. And then we updated journals. So now you can embed on-the-fly formulas in a journal entry. This is what it looks like while being edited. And this is what it looks like after it's been saved. All of these on-the-fly formulas are functional. We've enhanced the on-the-fly formulas to support parry and block. Parry will search through the melee weapons looking for the first melee weapon that contains a parry value and roll it. If you need a parry from a specific weapon, add a colon and then the beginning letters of that parry's name and roll that. The parry occurred against a balanced throwing axe instead of the two-handed great axe. The same rules work for block. We fixed our code so that it now works with the Chat Portraits module, highly recommended. And now on to some cooler things. You can now drag and drop damage directly onto tokens, or their entry in the combat tracker. We've updated the hit point and fatigue area to use Nick's new cool resource trackers. You can still edit directly into the field, or you can press these arrows to move up and down, or this to reset back to the original. You notice the label color changes as you cross various thresholds. Speaking of thresholds, you can hover over this to see what they are. Bring up the editor sheet to add your own resources. Enter a name here, a current value, and a maximum value, and go back to the full sheet. Voila! You now have your own resource tracker. There's room for 4, and this data is saved with the character, so it survives between sessions. To remove a resource, go back into the editor and clear its name. And now it's gone. And the last feature is yet more enhancements to the Mooc Generator. Type /Mooc in the chat to bring up the generator. We've had request to import stat blocks from the Steve Jackson Games forums. So here's a character by Crom. I'll copy it, paste it into the stat block importer, and there you go. It does its best to try to determine equipment and even spells. I'll test this Mooc, and it's legal, we'll create it. Here's the Mooc in the NPC format. Of course, we can go to the full view. There's a lot going on under the covers, and it's going to require its own video to explain it all. I hope you've enjoyed these new features, and as always, thank you for watching.